This project is about generating free electricity using a water wheel. The aim is to use the flow of water to produce electricity in an eco-friendly way. The materials required are a water wheel, DC motor, wires, LED bulb, and a water source, such as a tape or bottle. The working principle is based on energy conversion. The kinetic energy of flowing water is converted into mechanical energy by the rotating wheel and then into electrical energy by the dynamo. When the water flows and strikes the blades of the wheel, it causes the wheel to rotate. The converted shaft turns the dynamo, which then generates electricity that lights up the LED bulb. The result shows that electricity can be produced from flowing water, proving that renewable resources can be used to create clean and free energy. This project demonstrates a simple and effective way to utilize hydropower for sustainable energy generation. Thank you.